Life can certainly take its toll of your body, can't it? Whether it's from an illness or just a stressful time, your body can easily lose function. We call it getting older, but really, it's not about age as much as it's about losing confidence in your body's ability to do what you need and want it to do. It affects your whole person, your relationships, your work, and your ideas about the future. Nothing replaces what exercise does. It's the only way to restore the lost strength, stamina, and mobility. But it's hard to get started and stick with it because it's only a stark reminder of how far you have to go. Hi, I'm Janet Holtz, and over the past 30 years, I've worked with thousands of people who have found themselves in a body that is limiting their enjoyment of life. And the biggest, most common barrier that I see is the misconception that the start of exercise is supposed to be hard and painful, and that you've got to keep pushing through to see results if you want to stay motivated. This goes against everything we know about body and brain science. Think back to a time when you built something, maybe a business or a garden. What was the most important part of that process? The start, right? Because you knew that taking your time to start well meant you had a solid foundation upon which to build something that lasts. When you feel better in your whole person from day one of exercising, you are setting a strong foundation upon which to turn that spiral around. There are three skills for this foundation to work, though: a science based understanding of how your brain and your body are designed to work together, muscle memory for moving well in the body that you're in right now, and a system for making it a habit based on the way your brain is designed. My Be Well Now method is the way to start with this solid foundation. I've simplified it into a step by step online program that you can do at your own pace and add coaching with me to strengthen your confidence that you are doing what is right for you each step of the way. Whether you're starting, you're restarting, or just want a fresh start with exercise, join our community of people who have restored confidence in their whole person by knowing how to start well. You can start right now for free with the Foundation's membership and experience the difference of exercising to be well now.